How to silence someone's calls on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Once you're inside the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on the Focus option. In the Focus menu, tap on the plus icon located in the top right corner of your screen, then select the Custom option. Now, you can name your new Focus profile. Let's enter silence calls for this example, then tap on Next to proceed. On the following summary screen, tap the Customize Focus button to configure the rules for this profile. In the Silence Notifications section, tap on the Choose People option. Ensure that Silence Notifications from is selected. Tap on Done at the top right corner, then tap on People over here. Tap Add People to open your contacts list. Scroll to the contact you wish to silence and select them. Tap Done. To activate your new profile, swipe down to open the Control Center, tap on Focus section, and then select Silence Calls. Following these steps, you can easily silence someone's calls on an iPhone.